Clovermore, AVP, Group Corporate Affairs and Communications for Victoria Mutual. And this year for Labor Day, we wanted to truly help students who are in need. We thought about how could we truly impact and labor for learning this year. We came up with the idea to gift 21 students across Jamaica who are doing fairly well, who are sitting CSEC exams but have challenges. They don't have a computer, they don't have access to data, and we've heard much of those stories across the media since COVID hit, and we've had to be learning at home. And so we reached out to courts to say, okay, you have this great package that you put together for Home Office. Can we get the laptops at a discounted rate? And they jumped on board very quickly and reached out to Flow, who, as many of us know, the mobile companies have a discounted plan for teachers and students. And we also got a good discount on a handset. And of course, we can't give a computer without Office because the kids have to actually use the machines. So that each machine is equipped with Office. Each student has a phone that can work as a mobile hotspot. If their exams are going to be online, we're not too sure how the exam will work out for CSEC. And as well, they'll have a 3-month data plan so they can actually continue preparing in June and sit exams July into August. And we felt like that was a really great way for us to give back and have impact on 21 students who we know will do well.
Sam, Samanio. Hi Sam, how are you? Hey, surprise! The Victoria Mutual Group has selected you, one of 21 students across Jamaica, for you to benefit from this computer and data package to aid your studies and to ensure that you're able to continue your education and so that you can do well in your studies. So this is a gift from the Victoria Mutual Group. We know that you will do awesome, and we will be definitely keeping in touch with you to see how you're progressing.
All the best in your exams. Thank you. It's our Labor Day activity for the kids.
I wasn't expecting the gifts or something like that, but Rev spoke to me, called me on Thursday and informed me that Iris should be here and I should be here with her. And I said, Rev, what's the purpose? Because I was here a couple of days before asking him to brief Iris on parental discipline and how to stay focused. And especially there's a pandemic now and to stay disciplined and to be adherent to parental guidance and instructions. She didn't have a phone that was workable. The phone was going because she had it for a long time, so she had to be using my phone doing all the work. So it was very difficult getting the work, so she had to be getting it from friends via my phone, and it was very uncomfortable at times. I had to share and knowing that I have to be at work and she had to do her work and stuff like that. So coming here this morning and getting this gift, I'm really appreciative and I'm so overwhelmed. I don't words can't even say, but I just want to say thank you and I know it will go a far way.
We're delighted to have with us today members of the VMBS Foundation who are here to make presentation to one of our church school students, members of the Youth Fellowship, Irie Andrews, who is a student, third form student at the Bridgeport High School, who will be doing 2 CXC subjects this year based on her performance. And so we thank you for the presentations that you have made today for her, and we trust that God will continue to bless you and to bless your foundation as you impact lives and transform communities.